Windows down on my favorite street. Sunset in the rear view, got nowhere to be. For a moment we feel like we're kings and queens, and nothing but a t-shirt.
Happy birthday, Denise!
We are free. Can you feel it too?
Proud na proud ako sa'yo. Sobra. Gawin mo lang yung mga gusto mo. I-enjoy mo tong araw na to. Special day mo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Love you.
This is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so
I wish you all the best as you journey forward. Once again, happy birthday, Denise. I love you.
becomes a masterpiece, and this is when the moments
Happy birthday, Denise!
Happy birthday, Denise!
Kung sino mo yung pinakamasaya ngayong gabi, alam ko yung mama at papa mo, sobrang proud sila sa iyo ngayon. Happy birthday, Vivi!
It's a feeling I remember for the rest of my life. So I sit
Happy birthday, ate!
pain us go. For a moment we feel like we rule the world. We are free. Can you feel
Sana tong gabi na to, enjoy mo lang, magsaya ka. At kumbaga, talagang tong gabi na to ay para sa iyo.
And this is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes
Birthday, Ate Denise!
masterpiece, and this is when the moments turn to
Hindi mo lang yung dapat mong gawin. Unang-una, wala naman ako masabi dahil kahit na minsan pasaway ka, matigas ang ulo o pag inutusan ilang ano muna bago sumunod. Pero okay lang yan, ganyan talaga. At ang isa lang namang wishes ko, yung mapagtapos kayo sa pag-aaral.
this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes
Wish ko sa'yo sana makapasok ka sa dream school mo. And, enjoyin mo lang since 18 ka na yan. And, love you.
Happy birthday, apo kong Denise. Sana mahaba pa ang buhay mo, maligaya ang nanay mo. Bigyan mo ng pag-asa ang iyong sarili. Sana mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Happy birthday, apo kong Denise.
Mabait naman siya. Mabait, maldita, mapagmahal na ate. May time na makikita mo talagang sinusuportahan minsan yung mga kapatid niya.
Try to capture, remember it now.
Happy birthday! Sana magbago.
Time is moving faster than ever. We gotta try to capture, remember it
Huwag
now.
mong pababayaan ang isang pinakamahalaga na tungkulin natin upang maglingkod sa Diyos.
And time is moving faster than ever. We gotta try to capture, remember it now.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jordan!
Happy birthday, Denise!
This is when the moments turn.
Ito ang gagawa ng kapalaran mo. Maging dire-diretso lang, maging successful ka lang sa buhay mo. Okay kami doon. Ikaw nga ang gagawa ng kapalaran mo para makamit mo ang iyong mga pangarap.
And this is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece, and this is when the
Happy birthday, Denise!
Enjoy lang. Happy birthday ulit, Denise. Mahal na mahal kita.